Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes. So let's tap on it, and here let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with this pop-out window with email and serial number information. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the battery information. It is *##, 6485 ###. And here we are in the charging and battery information, so you can check whether your device is charging or discharged, in what kind of condition the battery is, the specific the current percentage, and basically here you can check whether everything is okay with your battery or not. Now let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##, 225 *##. And here we are in the calendar info. So here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic information. It is *##, 426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, and time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3-second, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the last being heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code. It is *##, 4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we've got two different phone information. They are attached to two different email numbers, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with this one. It is divided into the API configuration and the status. Let's tap on the status, for example, refresh the stats, and here we've got info like the Wi-Fi state, network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. We can go back and let me check phone information 1. Here we can check the email number again, car network, data service, voice service. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you will have your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why I cannot check it. Here we can run ping test, and after tapping on the 3-second, we can also view service dialing numbers or enable data collection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.